Hello, everybody. So far, so good. My name is Oscar, and well, this is my channel. Now, I was thinking about how to create something for you, something that can help you improve your communication process. So, as you can see, this is my space, and I'm just using resources in a very simple way. I'm using my laptop. I am in my bedroom. I'm using a simple lamp next to me, and I'm going to use my computer. I can use it. So I have this tool here, which is an electronical pencil, and I want to use this as a whiteboard. Now I'm going to think about different tips for structure, communication, and pronunciation. I think these three features or these three strategies are fundamental if you want to improve your communication process. Learning English is not easy. I'm not going to tell you that you're going to learn in 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months, but you're going to see that if you practice, if you really try to have this habit where you're going to make the most out of the experience of learning English, you're going to see results in the short term, perhaps. Yes, but so don't worry. You need to be very patient and just believe in what you do. Believe and practice. As they say, practice makes perfect. Now, I don't know. I mean, I just want to tell you the tips I'm going to be sharing eventually. So let's say that we want to improve our communication process. You're going to excuse my handwriting style. I think I have to improve it. But I like to write. I think it gives me this this feeling of like using an actual board. But in this case, of course, it's going to be a virtual one. So communication process. The communication process is divided into three important aspects or areas, I may say. The first one is pronunciation. Now, for pronunciation, you may believe it is the same as accent. They're different. Now, there is this dilemma about accent, which has caused controversy these days. I think accent is part of our personality. We choose the way, well, we don't choose actually. It's just like we already have this and we need to embrace it. Of course, if you want to reduce it, it's up to you, but there is no need to imitate like a native speaker's accent. There is no need in doing that, for example. But if you want to do it, perfect. Now, pronunciation, that's important. If you don't pay attention to your pronunciation when you speak, you're going to have some issues in making other people have a hard time in understanding what you're saying. So pronunciation is fundamental. The next one is going to be communication, as a title. Now, for communication, you need to think about strategies. For example, me, I'm using this virtual medium. So I'm thinking about the way I speak, the way you listen to me, the information that I'm sharing with you. So I'm thinking about the message, I'm thinking about the audience, I'm thinking about the way I speak. Now I'm speaking fast, but I may just slow this down and use more pauses. But still, there is something we need to understand. Communication strategies, of course, pronunciation as well, but communication strategies are going to let you be in control of the situation. Sometimes you need to think you don't have time, or maybe that other person is busy. So you need to really try to simplify your message in order to achieve your communicative goal. The last one is structure. People may say, oh, my structure is good. I know how to make a sentence. The problem is that when you have to improvise or when you are like having a conversation where you have to use new ideas and you start thinking a lot, then this is going to affect pronunciation and is going to affect fluency as well. So fluency is the melody. Sometimes we think that fluency is about speaking fast, but actually it is not. Like, it is not. Yeah, so it is more like just enjoying the rhythm, you know, understanding that in English, you have sometimes to pay emphasis to some syllables or some words in a sentence, some syllables in a word or some words in a sentence, okay? So This is wonderful. Well, I think just to start, these three ideas are wonderful. Of course, I'm going to start thinking. For me, this is wonderful. This is the first video. I love it because it's very homemade style. And sometimes you have to just allow yourself to experiment with different ways to start just growing professionally. So, well, see you around, and I hope you can practice your English. My name is Oscar, and take care. Bye-bye.